Hey everybody, Erica Serwin here from Pink Bugger Designs. I am really excited about my class to go for April. It is the Flowering Cactus class to go, and I'm mostly excited because I have designed this as a fundraiser. I am going to donate proceeds from this class to the Alzheimer's Association. This is near and dear to my heart. If you have participated in my fundraisers before, you know that this is something that my father suffers from, and I like to do a fundraiser for this about once or twice a year. So it's time again. I hope that you'll join me. This class is different also than my other classes because there's no registration link with this class. This is going to be a free with a purchase class. Let me tell you about the class and then I'll tell you those details. The class is going to have 4 cards, a treat box, and a really super cute mini album. The class uses the Flowering Cactus product medley. If you've seen that in the front of the catalog, there are 2 options. The whole product medley includes the stamp set and the dies, and I will tell you that this is my #1 favorite thing from this catalog. I love Cactus and I love this set, and I really love the sentiments that go with it. The dies are pretty cool too. Now, the product medley has everything that you need to create the projects. It has the dies, it has the paper. Let's see, it looks like this. It has the paper, 6x6 full pack of paper, a pack of felt embellishments, and 2 rolls of twine. So the product medley in the catalog is $70. If you order the whole product medley for $70, I'm going to send you the class kit for free, along with a bolt of this gorgeous Mossy Meadow braided linen trim for free. That's my thank you to you. Now, the class to go uses a host code, okay? And it's very, very important that you use the host code for this class. Make sure you look on my blog post so you know what that host code is. That's the only way I'm going to know you want this class, because there's no other registration website. I'm only going to be able to see who used the host code, and those are the people that will get the class kits. So make sure you use that host code. On my blog post, there are links to where you can order all those things. Fingers crossed, I think I set it up correctly so that when you click on those things, it automatically enters that host code in your shopping cart for you, but always double check. Now, what if you already have the product medley? That's fine. I don't care what you order. As long as your order minimum is $70, I'm going to send you this kit for free, as well as this free bolt of Mossy Meadow braided linen trim. You will need all of this to make your projects, the paper, the embellishments, but some of you have already ordered that and you may still want to participate in the class. So remember, anything you want for $70, as long as your minimum order before shipping and tax is $70 and you use that host code, you will get the class for free. Now, option 2 is for those of you that maybe you've ordered the kit and you just need the refill because you've used up a lot of it. Or maybe you even have another Cactus stamp set and dies that you want to use. That option is the product medley refill kit, option 2. The refill kit only includes the consumable things. You'll need these to create your kit. You'll also need this bolt of braided linen trim. Now, the option number 2 is $43 because you're going to buy this and this. So $43, use the host code. I will send you all of this for free. Again, if you already own all of this, order anything that you want, whatever you want, as long as it is $43 before shipping and tax, and it uses that host code, I will send you this class kit. Now, I cut and ship all the class kits at once. I don't cut them as the orders come in because then that's all I would ever do. So I have a deadline. Your orders need to be put in by April 19th. On April 20th, I will begin cutting everybody's kit. I will have them in the mail to you by April 26th, okay? Now, again, let's review because I know it's a little complicated. Minimum order of $70 will get you the class kit and the free trim. Minimum order of $43 will get you the free class kit. Both of them include a step-by-step PDF tutorial as well. Now, for those of you that don't want to order anything, you just want the tutorial, the PDF that is in my PDF store. That's a separate link. You click on it, you go over there, purchase it. It's $15, and it should be emailed to you immediately. If it doesn't show up, please email me, because sometimes, I don't know, they just bounce around in cyberspace. They don't arrive. Okay, I think that's it. Thank you ahead of time, everyone who's going to help me raise money for the Alzheimer's Association. This is a fantastic cause, and it makes me very, very happy to write that check to hopefully find a cure for this terrible, terrible disease. All right. Click the link here on YouTube or Facebook, wherever you're watching it, to go over to my blog to find those links where you can order those things. And email me, of course, if you have any questions. Don't forget to use the host code. That's the most important thing. And PDFs don't have host codes, by the way. PDFs are just PDFs. But if you're ordering and you want the free kit, you have to use that host code. Thank you, everybody. Bye-bye.